Hey, it's Jeremy from RetroShop, and in the shop today we have an 11 to 14 Charger. And here you can tell that we have changed the tail lights. These are the VLand 15 plus look-alike tails, but we've gutted them and changed all the LEDs in them. So the startup sequence there is very similar to what you get with the VLands, but now let's hit the left-hand turn. So here you can see we have an amber turn signal going through the reverse and brake light area of these taillights. Let's go ahead and deactivate the turn signal. Hit the brakes, please. So here we have a strobing function for the brakes, and the initial brakes on the outers come on as well, and the parking lights flash as a brake light. Let's go ahead and put it into reverse. So here, when we have the reverse lights on, the outers will go into reverse, and they're much brighter than they were before. Now, the other fun part about these is that they have a full show mode feature. So with the show modes, we can come into the Ghost module, and we can make these dance. So again, we've got these on parking lights right now. But if we come in here to, just loading it up here, let's say we want to do a kaleidoscope. So, of course, we have color changing LEDs in here. Behind a red lens, you really only see the red, but behind the clear lens sections, you can see the fully illuminated colors. We can also change to what's called an orbit. This one's running a little slow, so let's speed this one up a little bit here. There we go. So just a full show mode of what you can do on these. I really like Cylon, which moves back and forth between here. We have Line Dance, which goes with multiple colors, gives you a full overview of what these taillights are really doing. You can really make them bounce with the meteor shower one here. And the real fun part, let's go ahead and turn off a light here. You can tell that we have addressable underglow underneath here as well. So if we pan out over here to the side, you can see that we have full underglow capabilities on this car that are totally changing colors with this. All right. So, very fun project here, very time consuming, but the end result is well worth it. If you guys have any questions on this build or any build that we do here at RetroShop, feel free to reach out to us via the methods listed in the post. Thank you very much.